Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a fun snowflake tutorial. I'm so excited. I'm currently wearing them. I am 9 months pregnant. Holy moly. So what I decided to do was chop off all my nails. I had candy cane nails on before this. Not quite sure which one you're seeing first. I'm thinking these ones might actually be first. So I just went ahead and took those nails off before I came in and did this tutorial because it was a lot. They were so long, and I was like, it's gonna be here forever if we sit here and watch me remove it, even in fast forward. So I'm just going ahead and taking gelish base, and you'll see a lot of my future tutorials will probably have shorter nails just for now because, again, I'm 9 months pregnant. I don't know when little man will be here. I'm gonna have a due date, but you know, who knows when he'll actually be here. It's my first, so I'm really excited. So I want to keep my nails a little bit shorter, and this guy I cut a little bit too short, or I should say filed a little bit too short, and then the other finger you can see there, I took it in a little bit, or when I had the extension on, it was taken in too much on that side. So what I'm actually going to do is take a form here in a minute, but I wanted to get the gelish base on all of my nails before we come in and do the forms. And I do show you the form in real time, and then I do fast forward through one. So I'm actually just going to let you watch that, and I will be back. All right, coming in with one step. So we are going to do a very thin layer, and I tend to scrape this on because I'm kind of working it into that base gel, which again is from Gelish. It's a soak off base, but I'll repeat myself 8 million times. I have yet to soak off my nails because you want to leave like a clear thin layer. Anyway, so I'm taking a little bit of a bubble and pillowing it down the nail, and then I scrape it down the nail because I'm actually applying glitter. So, I mean, you can see the other nails are done, but I wanted to keep it super thin, but I need to build up that apex just slightly. Again, we have shorter nails, so you don't need to build anything too crazy. And that's what I really, really like about this set is that you can keep it kind of shorter. And if you didn't have glitter, it would even be like way less thick, but glitter for me is everything. Also, I want to point out you should not have built an extension with clear. I should have done natural fiber because it just, you can see it. So what I actually did at the end, which you won't see because I noticed it after, is I put some white perfect white under that extension on the back side and cured it. So it's kind of like milky white, just like the rest of the nails now. But if you ever wondered why all of a sudden the photos don't show that kind of clear extension, is because I actually put white behind it. So I will actually let you finish watching this, building up the nails just a little bit. So now we're taking B in your bonnet. I have not filed. I want to point that out. I wanted minimum filing here because I took all that time to remove that previous set. I wanted to keep this at minimum filing because, again, I'm 9 months pregnant and I feel like I sound like I'm out of breath. And I think I probably am, but that's okay. So I'm taking B in your bonnet and I'm going to do 2 layers all over every nail. Again, I'm scraping it on. I'm not building this up because, again, I want to keep it super thin. Coming in with our second layer, again, I'm in super fast forward because it's just the second layer and it's like scraping it on as well. So nothing life-changing. So I am now taking one step. Again, I'm fast forwarding this because it's literally a thin layer just so I can make it smooth. So that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to come back and it's going to just be filed, just hand filing and then buffed. Taking the Snowflake C24. I love this plate. This is the first time I am using this plate and it was awesome. And I love it so much. So we're going to stamp. And I find the easiest way to do this is just pick some snowflakes and just start placing them on. Like, don't have something in your mindset that you're like, oh, I want it like this, I want it like this. No, literally, I just move around the plate so I don't have to clean it. I know that sounds terrible, but again, your girl's 9 months pregnant. I don't want to have to put that much effort into my nails, but I want them to look bomb. So again, I just move around the plate, find some snowflakes that I like and that would fit in a good area. And sometimes I split it on a couple nails if I'm like, oh, this is great here. And then I move on to the other one. I'm like, oh, I still have one on there. So let's just stick it down. Perfect example right here. So I will just let you watch this because again, I just move around the plate. finishing up that shiny top coat, and we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.